This fasting routine can be a powerful addition to your lifestyle, but like any lifestyle change, it comes with its own set of challenges. It's important to be aware of these potential obstacles and have strategies in place to overcome them. Let's dive into some of the common hurdles people face when starting a 14-hour fasting routine and how you can navigate them successfully. First, hunger and cravings. The most obvious challenge is dealing with hunger and cravings, especially if you're new to fasting. It's natural to feel hungry, especially if you're used to eating more frequently throughout the day. However, there are ways to manage these feelings. The good news is that your body will adapt over time. To manage hunger, make sure your meals during the eating window are balanced, with plenty of protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you satisfied. Drinking water or herbal tea can also help curb cravings. Start with a shorter fasting period and gradually extend it as your body adjusts. This can help ease the transition and make the 14-hour fast more manageable. Second, social pressures and eating out. Social gatherings and eating out can present challenges when you're trying to stick to a fasting schedule. It can be difficult to explain your fasting routine or resist the temptation to eat outside your designated window. Social situations can be tricky when you're following a fasting regimen. To navigate this, try to plan your eating window around social events or communicate your fasting schedule to friends and family. Most people are understanding and supportive once they know your goals. Third, energy slumps and fatigue. Some people experience low energy levels, especially in the beginning stages of fasting. This can be due to your body adjusting to a new energy source as it switches from glycogen to fat for fuel. If you're someone who exercises regularly, try scheduling your workouts during your eating window. This way, you can fuel your body properly before and after exercise. Ensure that your meals are rich in whole foods, healthy fats, and lean proteins to provide sustained energy during your fasting period. Engage in low-intensity activities like walking or yoga, which can boost your energy without exhausting your body during fasting. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for maintaining energy levels. Make sure you're getting adequate rest to support your fasting routine. Fourth, digestive issues. Fasting can sometimes lead to digestive issues, such as bloating or constipation, especially if your body is not used to a restricted eating window. Break your fast wisely. Start with a small, light meal when you break your fast. Avoid overeating or consuming heavy, processed foods that can be hard on your digestive system. Include fiber-rich foods. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your meals to support healthy digestion. 5. Mood swings and irritability. Changes in eating patterns can sometimes lead to mood swings or irritability, especially in the early stages of fasting. Mindful eating. Focus on the quality of your meals during your eating window, ensuring they are balanced and satisfying to help stabilize your mood. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing, to manage stress and maintain emotional balance during fasting. Consistency is key. As your body adapts to the fasting routine, these mood fluctuations are likely to decrease. Stick with it, and you'll find that your mood stabilizes over time. Who should avoid fasting?